Hi guys, it's me, Calikia. I am back with another video. I'm super excited because I just received my Boxycharm subscription box for March 2018. Boxycharm is a makeup-based subscription, but what makes it so amazing is that you get full-size products. I have used makeup-based subscriptions in the past, and they only send you samples. So you're paying $10 for things you could probably get for free. They also try to sell you on the fact that it's personalized makeup selections, but in my experience, it wasn't all that personalized, and the sample sizes were sometimes really small. Occasionally, I got something that was full size, but for the most part, it seemed like I was maybe wasting my money a little bit. I was paying $10 for samples, but now I'm paying $21 for full-size products. Unlike other subscriptions, Boxycharm does not claim that your box will be personalized. In fact, they basically tell you what your box is going to be on Instagram every month. The only thing is that they offer certain variations on their box. So your box may be slightly different than someone else's, but it's generally the same products. You're probably thinking, okay, are these products really worth $20 and $30? How are these products worth $20 and $30 if the whole box only costs $21? I don't know, but I will say these products really are retailed much higher than what you're buying them for in the box. I did my homework on last month's box and I found some of the products, and they really were valued at $20 and $30 per item at 5 items in the box. So you do the math, you're saving a lot of money. And with that being said, let's get to the unboxing. First things up, this is the Pretty Vulgar Make Them Blush, retailed at $26. Next up is the Bella Pierre Cosmetics Volumizing Mascara, retailing at $20. And this is what the mascara wand looks like. Next up, we have the Vintage Cosmetic Company Smoky Eye Makeup Brush Set. This retails at $23.15, and these are the 3 brushes you will get. They also have a step-by-step guide on how to use the brushes on the back of the box, and they have cute little instructions on each of the brushes, step 1, 2, and 3. Up next is South Main Beauty Under Eye Gels, retailing for $10. So it comes with 3 in the box. I'm definitely going to be using these. And finally, from Pure the Complexion Authority, we have the eyeshadow palette. And as you can see, this is actually a Boxycharm and Pure collab. It comes with a mirror and these 12 colors. So first I'm going to start with this one. Perfect. As you can see, the color is really faint. It kind of blends in with my skin, almost like a neutral nude color. I'm going to go in with Naked. This one is also very faint, but it's almost like an orangish peach color. Very pretty. Next, I'm going in with Belle. This one is similar to Nikki, just a little more pink. Next, I'm going to show you guys Squad. So this is Squad. As you can see, these are all fairly light, but they're slightly different from each other. Next up, I'll go with Charmer. This is this one right here. Very faint, but it's almost like a rose gold. It's a metallic, so it's not a lot of color. Next up, Alliance. So this one is very pretty. It's darker, it's very pigmented, and it is also metallic. Next is Bay. Pink one right here. Very pretty pink with a slight metallic color. Next, ATL. So ATL is extremely pigmented, like a fuchsia, very pretty as well. So these are the first 8. These 2 top rows. I am running out of arm space, so I'm moving to the other arm. Next up, duet. You see, very dark, very brown. Look for a smoky eye. Next is this beautiful blue color. MIA. If you are looking for blue, you are going to get blue. Extremely pigmented. Next, BFF, bright fuchsia color, very pretty. We have Boxy Black. This black is the Boxy Black. Extremely pigmented, very dark. So with that, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you felt like it was informative, even just a little bit. And if you're considering doing Boxycharm, I hope you got something from this video. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, visit my new website, CaliKings.com. If there are other videos you guys want me to do, let me know in the comments down below. And until next time, stay beautiful.